heavy bleeding.
There's a new day that will come again tomorrow.
Hi guys! Good morning! Good morning naman sa inyo. Time check pala muna tayo guys. It's 11:50. It's Sunday, family day. So, naisipan namin maggala. Actually, kahit naman nandito kasi sila Ate Tanya, kung nakikita nyo naman sa vlog, di ba? Bihira din naman kaming maggala-gala or pumunta sa mga iba't ibang lugar. So, naisipan ko na why not? Paiba naman. Di ba? So, yeah, samahan nyo kami. I'm the driver for today. And sabay-sabay natin tignan ang aming pupuntahan mamaya. Sana mag-enjoy tayo lahat. Let's go!
When I think about His grace, His freedom, something like a woman prays. I'm grateful for the loving that you gave. It's so amazing. No matter who we are, we know you'll never change. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing, amazing. Let me tell you all the ways I'm covered. I got strength to run my race as He ushers friends and family, I say, in His shelter. No matter where I turn, there's blessings in my face. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, amazing. He's always doing amazing, something amazing. Grace, unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. That's unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going. If you've seen it done, changing the impossible to the greatest story told. All I am is nothing short of a miracle. I'm in awe, you're so amazing. Doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, something amazing, amazing, doing something amazing. He's always away, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Unending love, never something amazing, overflowing, amazing. Keep going, grace, unending love, never failing peace, overflowing hope to keep going, grace. That's unending love, never failing peace, overflowing.
Hey! Nani atten no? Nata? Ha? Nani atten no? Nata? Nani atten no? So guys, it's my lunch break and umuwi nga ako dito sa bahay. Dito ako kumain. And sinilip ko na rin sila kasi nga ang ate nagkaroon ng heavy bleeding. Patient number 1. Patient number We have our patient number 1. Tapos, nahihilo daw siya, ganun-ganun. Eh, syempre, di ba, may baby na kasama, may deaf mute na kasama, tapos meron, naman, teenager pa lang yun nandito. So, 3 lang sila dito sa bahay. Kaya, sinilip ko na rin. Although, nakainom naman na ng gamot si ate, binigyan na siya ng Loxonin. So, bumuti-buti na daw yung pakiramdam niya. Pero, syempre, super heavy talaga ng pag-bleed niya ngayon. To the extent na, pati yung mga carpet, nalagyan na ng mga dugo. At saka yung bed namin. Ganun siya ka-heavy. So, hindi siya, hanggat maaari, hindi siya pinapalakad kasi nga, parang miscarriage yung dating nung, niyan, yung bleeding niya. Talagang OA kung OA. Imagine niyo, ganun siya ka-OA. So, in-advise ko na humiga na lang muna siya, mag-rest, kasi nga, nafe-feel na daw niya. Sa sobrang dami nga naman ng blood na lumabas, nahihilo na daw siya. So, para maiwasan yung mga pag-collapse, or yung mga, alam niyo yan, yung mga, ma-prevent natin yung mga hindi magandang mangyari, sabi ko, magpahinga na lang siya. At si Cloud naman ngayon ang nag-aasikaso. At itong bata naman na to, ayan siya, nag-aasikaso rin siyang magkalat. Hoy! Nani ate no? Nani ate no? So, time check muna tayo, guys. It's 12:36. So, meron na lang akong 4 minutes para bumalik. Kasi hanggang 12:50 yung lunch break ko. Hi guys! So, kakatapos lang ng work ko. Time check muna tayo. It's 5:06. So, ka-message ko ang ate. Okay naman na daw yung pakiramdam niya. Pero kailangan niya ng pads. Maternity sanitary pad. So, kailangan natin bumili nun kasi nga super heavy flow na talaga siya. Hindi niya kaya hindi nakakayanan yung ordinary sanitary pads lang. So, kailangan natin siyang bilan nun. And yeah, so samahan niyo ako. Nakakasamid. Ano ba yan? Parang ang dry ng paligid ngayon. So, let's go na guys. Punta na tayo sa Kain's home. Let's go!
Rolling wheels on a sunburned road, faded signs where no one goes. Sky is burning in a crimson.
Pakainin muna natin siya itong kanyang food. Mushroom and 1 gyoza and of course ang kanyang tomato. Kain natin. Mate. Chigaw, ponzu. Nandun, ang dami to nakalagay, di ba? Mate. Ay nako, ayaw niya. Puro ano na naman yan, tomato, tumapapak. Mamaya kakainin naman yan. We have gyoza, luto ni Brad Pitt, tsaka itong di ko naman alam kung ano yan. Ay, go daw. Nanyatin, no? Hem! Hara, nani sore?
あなたが20歳まで生きてられるかな。あなたい
Paman, ay!
So, hanggang dito na lang muna ang episode natin today. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to like, comment, at kung di ka pa nakasubscribe, click the subscribe button para updated kayo sa Japan journey namin. See you on the next episode. Byeers!